Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is a hair dryer that you can use to blow dry your hair. But let's open up the product first to see what it actually looks like and what comes in that package first. So that's what provided inside right here. If you can see, let's take everything out. So they provide us one of these accessories that you can actually attach it on, if you can see. Next one, we also have a little comb. As you can see, so you can attach this part onto the actual blow dryer and start using it to comb your hair. Next one, we have another one of these accessories that you actually attach it onto the actual hair dryer itself. And next we have the actual product right here, as you can see. So this is the blow dryer, and then the very bottom they do provide us a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use it, and that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. You can see they have the logo right here. The overall product itself looks really amazing and actually feels super nice as well. It's like super smooth as in here. And then we have the button controls right here. So there's a high, off, and low. There's a high, medium, and low. So one of them is for the speed level, and then one is for the temperature. You guys also have the option right here to cool it. So if you guys press this button when you guys have it on, you actually use this cold air instead of hot air. So that way you guys won't damage your hair. And what's really cool about this part right here is you can see they have a little hook right here, so you can actually hook it onto somewhere, which is pretty awesome. And then here we have the actual plug, so it's basically like a US plug that you can plug it onto the wall outlet to actually charge it and start activating it. And we also have a test button and reset button on the back of the actual plug right here, as you can see. This is what it looks like right here for the blow drying part where the air comes out, and this is the back part right here. So if you guys twist this part, you guys can actually remove it really easily to kind of clean it off, if you can see. And it's really easy to close back up to as well, as you can see. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. So if you guys want to use the accessories, all you guys have to do is just push it in. Just like that, snap it on, and it's all set and start using it. So I'm actually go plug this on really quick to show you guys how powerful it is and how to actually use it. Alright, so we have it all plugged in. So basically how you guys activate is just by pressing this button right here. You guys can see. So that's high, and that's low. So just to show you guys how powerful it is, let me actually show you guys how it looks like when you guys blow dry here. So if you guys turn it on low, this is how strong it is. If you guys turn it on high, so it's definitely quite powerful, and using the accessories that they provide you guys makes it that much easier and also that much better. When you guys turn it on low or medium, it's not that hot. It's actually pretty warm or like cold temperature. When you guys turn it on high, it's hot, but it's not hot to the point where actually to burn you guys. But I don't recommend you guys putting your hand right here, because most likely if you guys leave your hand for too long right here, it will burn you, so don't do that. But definitely the overall product itself is pretty awesome. It works really well, super easy to use, clean, and maintain. Especially this part right here, how I'll show you guys can actually remove it. And using the cool button works as well, so let me actually show you guys that quick test as well. So you can see that when I turn on the cool button inside, the red light turns off. So I mean, it turns off the actual temperature to kind of cool it down. That way you can use the cool temperature to kind of blow dry your hair, and that way it won't hurt or damage your hair. And also the actual blow dryer or hair dryer itself has a negative ion technology, so that way it's really healthy and good for your hair. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So for me, honestly, I have to say that it's actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality but affordable hair dryer, then this is probably the one for you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have